Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to automatically extract supplier intelligence from ImportYeti website in minutes using the ImportYeti Scraper by PurseForge, which you can find on Appify and in the link down in the description. So, if you're doing supplier research or import-export analysis, manually digging through shipment data is slow and incomplete. With this tool, you'll be able to extract company profiles, supplier relationships, shipment history, business metadata, amongst other stuff, all structured and ready for analysis. This tool is ideal for importers and exporters, supply chain and sourcing teams, and market researchers and trade consultants who want to gather info from the ImportYeti website. So, how does it work? The input is quite simple. First, all you need to enter is a search query. This can be a company name, product type, or keyword. This is the only required field. For this example, I'll search for companies related to game. Next, you choose the type. You can filter by company or supplier, depending on what you're researching. We'll choose company for this one. You can also filter by location, like a city, state, or country, to narrow results geographically. If you want active traders only, use the most recent shipment to filter by time, like the last 6 months or 1 year. You can also set the minimum number of shipments or filter by industry ID. And finally, you set the maximum number of items. We'll use 20 for this run. And once your filters are set, you can run the actor once, or you can also schedule this same scrape as many times as you want and as repetitive as you want. But for this demo, we'll just use it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one company, and you'll get information like the company or supplier name, total shipment counts and recent activity, import and export countries, top suppliers and customers, their website, HS codes and product categories, amongst other things. All of this you can export into a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, which makes it easy to plug into spreadsheets, CRMs, dashboards, or any other BI tool you need. As a pro tip, use specific keywords plus shipment thresholds to find serious suppliers. Combine location and recent shipment filters to identify active trade hubs. Track competitors by company name to monitor supplier changes over time. With the ImportYeti Scraper, you can turn global trade data into actionable intelligence in just minutes. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.